talk about Zomato. It's a solid first quarter for Zomato, the food ordering platform, having reported top line and bottom line, which is higher than what the streets were, the analysts were expecting at any rate. The profits for Zomato have grown more than 44%. The number we're looking at is 253 crores, and this is an uptake from what they reported last year. Meanwhile, the revenues have come in at 18% higher, which is at a little over 4,200 crore rupees. But let's break down Zomato's numbers. And for that, Vinny, my colleague, is joining us. Zomato's numbers looking quite good, Vinny.
So yes, in terms of Zomato's numbers, a good set of strong set of numbers that came in from Zomato. That's why we saw the stock also jump up and trade after the numbers were announced. Now, revenue and PAT above the estimates, margins in line with what the street was expecting. So revenue growth overall an 18% revenue growth, profit seeing a growth of almost 45%, coming in at 253 crores. That's the profit of the company. Now, calculated EBITDA has also seen a marked improvement, coming in at 177 crores, which is the calculated EBITDA. Adjusted EBITDA that the company reports, that's coming at 299 crores versus 194 crores. All these numbers are on a sequential basis, on a quarter-on-quarter basis that we're comparing. Food delivery business, a good growth of 10%, quick commerce 22% growth, while hyper pure business on a lower base also continues to see a very strong improvement, coming in at a growth of around 27%. Adjusted EBITDA, that's also where, when you're looking at specifically for the food delivery business, that's obviously seen a growth. But when you're looking for quick commerce also, on that quick commerce EBITDA loss has obviously seen a significant decline coming in. Now its EBITDA loss is only at 3 crores versus a 37 crores last year, what we're comparing. In terms of the shareholders' letters, a lot of important insights are coming on that front. Food delivery, they said that that remains on track to getting towards that 4 to 5% adjusted EBITDA mark. Quick commerce also is sustaining that adjusted EBITDA break even. Hyper pure business, strong growth of 27%, like I mentioned, and Blinkit, fingers crossed as everything works out well. The company said that they will be expecting to open 2,000 stores by 2026. For FY25, it's a 1,000 store target. So keeping an eye out on those store openings for Blinkit, that's the quick commerce side. Now, obviously, District, that's become the buzzword, right? After Zomato posted on its Twitter page and on its social media about District. So District is a new app that they're launching. It's for going out, a one-stop shop for all the going out apps. So whether it's movie ticketing, ordering, dine-in bookings that everyone does as well. So that is what District will be focusing on. It's a one-stop shop for all going out purposes, and that's what their focus is. A new launch coming in, a new app. District is what we're watching out for. But all in all, a good number from Zomato.
So a good set of numbers and another app to look forward to. That's the news from Zomato's first quarter. Thanks very much for that, Vinny. Now, let's also get in a perspective from the company itself. The CFO of Zomato, Akshant Goyal, had this to say about the growth trajectory that the company is likely to have in times to come. And he's saying he's positive about growth and that it will sustain. Listen to what he said.
We think that GOV growth of 20% plus, we should be able to continue in the near term also. So to that extent, there might be, currently we're trending at 27-28% year-on-year growth. So that might fall a little, but by and large, don't see any specific concern on the demand side at this point, at least in our business.